Hello guys, welcome to Ansys Views. Here in this video I am going to show you how to solve the earphone mic issue during call through the Redmi Note 3 or other Xiaomi phones. First of all, we want to install an app from Play Store. I am opening Play Store and going to search for that app. The app name is Soundabout. I am just searching for that app. You can see this is the app. Just click on that and just install it. I already installed it. After installation, you can see two apps named as Soundabout. Open the first Soundabout app. Here I am going to opening the app. Okay, just click on OK. And then now press back key. Just ignore it. Then press on ignore. Don't allow any permission. Then click Soundabout service. Now click on no status. Select that option and then click on phone call audio. Then again click on let app decide. Then just deny it. Don't allow any permission. Just deny it. Now just close this app and now check your earphone mic during call. Hope it will solve the issue. At least for me it is working. If you found this video is useful, please don't forget to like and also share this video. Comment if you have any doubt and watch my other videos too. If you found this channel is useful, please don't forget to subscribe to Ansys Views. Thanks for watching this video.